Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update AOL Mail app. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device, if it's an iOS device or an Android device. In my case, I'm just going to launch App Store. Now once you are here, just tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, just go to the search bar and search for AOL. Now, simply tap open the application on top. Now, once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on the option of update and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. So, in my case, as you can see that I just have the option of open. It's because I recently have updated my AOL Mail application. So, if you see the option of update here and you tap on it, your AOL Mail application will successfully be updated. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.